Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about great loft bed ideas for small rooms. If you are short on space and want to make your most of it with some clever ideas, you have come to the right place. Let's check out some fantastic loft bed ideas that are both useful and cool. Before we get into the ideas, let's talk about why loft beds are great. They let you have your bed up high so you can use the space below for other stuff. First up is the loft bed with a desk underneath. It's perfect if you need a place to work or study in your small room. Loft bed with storage are super handy. You can have drawers or shelves under the bed to keep your things organized. For kids, there are fun loft beds design. You can have a play area and other bed below, which is like a minimum adventure. If you have got a window, you can use it. Loft bed can be bullet near windows so you can get to walk up with sunlight and a nice view. Studio apartments can be small, but loft bed can make them better. You can make a cozy sleeping space, leaving the rest of your room for living. For those who love reading, picture a loft bed with a little nook underneath. It's a quiet spot to enjoy your books. Teen likes their space. Loft beds can be set up with a sitting area or a study zone, giving them their own spot. For the young at hearts, there are loft beds with slides. It's like having your own playground in your room. If you are handy, you can make your loft bed. It's a do it yourself project, and you can create a bed that is just right for your room. So those are the great left bed ideas for small rooms. These ideas help you make the most of your space and add some cool style to your room. If you like these ideas, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more small space and design tips.